The following contest scheduled for one fall, and the winner will be contested in the Street Fight Extreme Rules match. And the winner of this fight will be a #1 contender for the WWE Undisputed Universal Championship. Introducing first, fighting in the Oclica Cavite City, weighing 173 pounds. He is the Dark Lord, the Legion, the Butcher, Maki. And his opponent, from Dasma Cavite, he weighs under 64 pounds, White Dashboard, the Rapper, Marlon.
Yes. Fight.
Shit. Binigla niya na.
Otot na suntok. Diyos ko pong acting yan.
Naku, Marlon. Ibang... Maki. Brock Lesnar activated. Oo, pati ka. Ayun na si Marlon. Kinuha niya po si Maki. Over 73 pounds ang maso. At nagiging asong ululaho si Marlon. Armbar! 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 Inarmbar po niya. Uy, grabe. Naku, mukhang di niya kakayanin. Malakas po. Malakas po ang kalaban.
So, ang honest judgment ko po dito ay medyo hindi po praktisado si Marlon.
Oh, tirig na tirig ko. Labas na labas ang kanyang puti. Anong tinira na to klaseng puti?
Stop it. Get some help.
Patay! Oops, mukhang kinama... Marlon. Brother. Continue po ba, brother? Kamusta ka, brother? Kamusta ka, brother? Okay lang siya. Oh my God. Mukhang naiba ko si Marlon ngayon ah. Hindi uwiting karakter na pinakita niya nakaraan. Tuwang-tuwa siya sa tugo. Nauwa siya sa tugo. Parang ibang klaseng dugo natin gusto niya. Parang reglata na babae gusto niya makuha ngayon. Oh my God. Oh my God, man. Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Yun ay great move po. Great move by Marlon.
Yan ang wrestling boss. Brother. Okay ka lang ba, brother? Okay ka lang ba, brother? Si Marlon ho. Nag-iiba ko si Marlon ngayon.
Ayaw, di ma.
Gago!
So, ayun po, isa na naman pong walang kwentang atake ni Marlon.
Natangin na. Pare. Ito po masasabi kong talagang wrestling match.
I'm sorry but I disagree. This is not a great wrestling match. Kitang-kita po na hindi po praktisado ang mga fighters ngayon.
Move by Marlon. Yun, butay na.
Oh, yun. Nakita niyo ho. Sinipa ho siya sa hangin at talagang ang gulong niya ho eh.
Oh my God. Nakabangon na ho. Si Maki. At hinampa. Damn! Nakaraanas ho siya ng sakit ulit. Oh my God. Now done. Naibaw yung mukha niya. Namumo po. Namumo yung galit.
Oops. Oh my God. This is Maki's turn. At back in 2010s to 2013 at Maki's character has been known to bring the fame. This is gonna be a fight. Steel chair to the back. Steel chair to the knee. Steel chair to the back.
Motherfucker. parang nasatisfy ho siya sa kanyang mga pagtira kay Marlon. Si Marlon po ay lalaban, siya po ay babawi, hindi papayag yan. Pero ang ina, grabe naman po, ang brutal na may backing guard. Oh my God. Ina boss. Boom. Nako, wag ho kayong titikim ng tuklaw.
Still chair to the back again.
May sinasabi ho siya.
Kulang pa, boss. Masyado kong mahina para sa champion.
Oh my God, he's talking about the champion.
So no wonder po kung bakit po hindi nilaban agad sa champion si Marlon. At kung bakit siya nabugbog, this is why he's not ready. He's not ready for a championship. He needs to train. Still chair to the back.
Oh fuck. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sinasa ka lang. Oh, patay. Oh my God. Marlon has left the group. Marlon has left the group, guys. Pinapatay na. Stoy. Uy, kalma lang. Stoy. Gago. Shit. Kalma lang. Oh my God. Mama, kimura na. Boss, papatayin niya. Patayin niya, boss. Boss. Sakit. Sakit lang, guys. Yo. Oh, shit. Oh my God. Mukhang hindi po ito kaaya na. Oops, uy. Putang ina, yung dugo niya. Ibang klase ito, boss.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Ayun na, boss. Talagang positive to, boss. Oh my God. Napikon mo siya. Hinahamon mo niya. He wants some more. Gusto. Mag-i-improvise na sila ng kanilang wrestling moves at kung ano man ang mangyayari dito, gagawin natin ang best natin para mag-judge kung sino ba talagang panalo at karapat lang. Putang ina, hinampas niya. Yung challenger. Alright. Marlon, meron pa pang natitirang lakas sa'yo. He likes the blood now. Gusto niya ng dugo ngayon. Medyo may tama si brother sa likod at talagang siya pop. Ayun na, si Marlon. Panibagong wrestling move sa kanya. Sa kanya.
At another useless move by Marlon. Another wrestling useless move by Marlon.
The bloods on their hands are normal. Ang ganda ng laban na to. Oops, Marlon is dominating. Hawak ako steel chair.
Another day shot by Marlon. Ay, hindi ko maintindihan.
It's a wrestling.
Hindi ko na maintindihan kung ano bang magiging flow ng laban na ito.
For a very long time.
Kinagawa ko na home best scope
Sa mga
para ma-entertain kayo kahit pa lang sa boss ko. And Marlon is on a stand and a blood dripping from his head and still he's doing nothing.
Mac is not done yet.
He's doing nothing at all. He just stand there.
Marlon is drinking blood.
Dako. Replay lang po. Replay. Okay. Yan. Lumaki ang kanyang gagawing moves. And Marlon hits him with a very low quality gayness RKO. Gusto po. Marlon goes for the count and tutoy. Walang referee pare. Walang referee para magbilang.
Nag-kick out po. Nag-aral po siya talaga.
Ano ba namang klaseng mga acting yan? Sobra namang nakaka-disappointing. Ma-practice naman tayo next time.
Baklayo. Ang laban na ito.
At ang laban na ito ay talaga naman pong sa totoo lang, to be honest po, medyo nakaka-disappoint. Ayun o.
Oh my God. Oh my fucking God.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
Natak eh.
Diyos ko po. and punch to the head. Yan, we are now back in action. Maki strikes back in a head, in a kick, in a kick, in a kick, in a kick.
I'm speechless. Oh my fuck God. Uy. Marlon will not.
Back, straight punch to the head.
Oh
my God, parang
Marlon.
bumalik tayo in action. Yun na ho, yung Marlon na kilala ho.
Samurai. And he will
Yun na ho yung, Samurai umbrella to the back. Samurai umbrella to the back.
Damn it. God damn it. Oh my fuck God. He will kill him. He will kill him, man. Oh.
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
Satisfied. Parang nawala na po yung tama ng white powder ni Marlon Werewolf, but
So, bumalik po
he's not doing anything.
Pero,
And, oh my God, ayun na po. A choke to the head. Up.
Dito po sa
He's
part na to
acting to tap
talagang
out, pero
makikita nyo na
magtatap
bumalik
out
na
kaya
po
si
ang
Marlon. Oh my God!
Marlon
He
na
wanna
sa-
left the group. He wanna left the group. He's been doing it for years. He's slipping, chain to the neck and yung pressure from the bow. Uy, he's gonna kill him. He's gonna kill him. He's gonna kill him. Uy. Still zero, slip and fall. Dalawa po silang tumumba. Slip and fall. Di ko alam kung bakit, pero monti naman sila parehas.